Hello everybody, this is Chris here from chrisdisco.com. Last time I demonstrated on how to use a healing brush. It was Photoshop retouching, and this time we're just gonna take it a bit further. We will be putting makeup on our model. If your photo was taken without any makeup, you can still put makeup on your photo, and it will look just as natural as if it was done manually. We start off by zoom into the lip area. We want to start off with lips. You take a pen tool here. You quickly mask off your mouth. I assume you know how to use this pen tool. Anyway, there. Just gonna shape up this part here. Okay, so we go to our paths, we make it a selection. So now we have selected the mouth. There are so many ways of doing this, but I'm just gonna show you a very quick one, and it's a layer, it's an adjustment layer that is non-destructive. So if you feel that you don't want that makeup, you can always take it off. So you go to the hue saturation, click on that. Then on up here we choose our color, the shade of the lipstick that we want. I'm looking for something like, yes, this. Anyway, so at the moment it's too hard, and it has got hard edges. But nobody can ever apply lipstick this perfect. So what we do is we go to filter, we blur, Gaussian blur. Yeah, just about. See, this is the before and after. We say okay. I've noticed some women, they want to put like a lining here at the end of the lips. So we go to our brushes, we choose black, we make our brush smaller. Then we go we just putting a new layer here, because whatever I put here, I don't want it to be on the actual photograph. I want it to be different. So now we go, no, wrong color, need black. So we go right around the mouth. It's not very perfect, I'm just doing it quickly. Anyway, and again, this is too hard. Nobody can can have a line as sharp as that. So we go back to our filter, we go and blur again. Goes and blur that. We say okay, and we come to opacity. We just reduce the opacity a bit so that it won't be too, yeah, like this. We could make it like this. Yeah. Okay, we're done with the mouth. Then we go to our eyes. You zoom in into the area. You can just quick pick up the shades of colors that you like. I'm not sure which shades I like, but anyway, I'm just gonna pick whatever. Here I'll start with a blue. I'm just gonna use my favorite colors. We just put a blue line there and just undo. We don't want it to be transparent. Why is it transparent? Okay, because it's on another on that layer. We need to make up another layer. So we go, that's more like it. Okay, don't worry if it's not straight. You can always adjust that. Here we can take maybe purple. Go there on top, just on top of it. Okay. Then we go for a very like warm pink, a bright pink. And you can make the brush a bit bigger, not too big, just to fill up that top area. We go there. We do the same on the left eye. We'll put this time on a smaller brush. Put our blue there. Then the second color, our purple there. Then the third color, our warm pink there, and make our brush a little bigger. Okay, it could be bigger. So now what we need to do is to make this work, we need to put we need to blur it now. So we go to Gaussian blur, filter Gaussian blur, and we blur it up. It's just gonna depend with how much you need it, and okay, this is it's a bit it's too much, so we're just gonna reduce the opacity to make it a bit subtle and believable as well, because it's starting to look like a clown now. There, just maybe a little bit. Okay. Now we can go to, we need to do the cheeks now, just to highlight. We'll take make a brush bigger. Then we just with that same pink here, we just maybe blue, another that blue, yeah. Anyway, we just highlight on the cheeks there. Just highlight on the cheeks there. Then we go Gaussian blur. We blur it. Okay. Then we reduce the opacity again. Maybe not. If you're not happy about the color, you can create another layer. You can always compare. can create another. Let's take off this layer for a bit. We just hide it. Let's use this pink, quite like this anyway. That one pink there. We highlight the cheeks. I highlight the cheeks. Okay, we go filter, goes and blur. There you go. That's what I was looking for. Then we reduce the opacity.